Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Seba Diba Artistry and Academy. If you would like to learn how to create this beautiful makeup look, then keep on watching. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will show you exactly how to achieve it from start to finish. And for your convenience, we have also listed the products used in this look in the description box below along with the links so that it is easier for you to find them. And as the title suggests, this is a look and learn makeup tutorial. You can actually master this in just few minutes. Once you understand these techniques and the right products, you will be able to recreate this look with ease. If you do recreate this makeup look, we would love to see your version of it. Don't forget to tag us or mention us in your Instagram stories for a chance to get a shout out from us. And if you're not already following us on Instagram, this is our Instagram. Come join our beauty family. Finally, if you have enjoyed the video so far, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a full makeup tutorial or a hair tutorial from us. And here is the gorgeous eye makeup that we've done. She's going to wear a beautiful light purple gown. So with that in mind, I have created the makeup look. Now I want you to notice that I have only spot color corrected her face. I haven't used a lot of layers on her face so that it looks more minimal and looks skin-like. And you will see how gorgeous the final look has turned out. This is my trick that I ask my clients to do when I have to contour their face so that the placement is actually more precise. After the contouring, I'm also going to add some blush, and as you can see, I'm making the contour more sharp using some concealer. I'm adding the creme blush on her nose, on her chin, on the high points of her cheek, blending it with a beauty blender. As you can see that after I'm done using all the creme products, I'm going to set everything with the powders. So for example, I'm using a powder for the under eyes, I'm using powder contour, I'm using powder blush. Finishing off the makeup with some dalba spray, doing some under eye makeup final touches. This is one of my hero products that I use to highlight the inner corner of the eye. I'm also applying some nude kajal. I will also apply a nice coat of mascara and then pop in some eyelashes. And if you're not following us on our Instagram, you're missing out. We have uploaded a very detailed video on how you can achieve these pouty lip. I'm using some concealer to make it even more neat. Added the lashes, adding a few rhinestones. I'm not just going to add it on one side, we are going to add it on both the sides. And here is the final look complete. Now here are the beauty shots. Enjoy!